Good morning, guys. Doug here with Soul Motor Coach, and I'm in my garage right now getting ready to head out. Temperatures are getting warmer, and because of that, today we are going to restructure the entire lot. All of our inventory. Springtime is coming. It's not quite here yet, but it is coming. I think we're only about, I don't know, what is it, 8 or 9 days from daylight savings time, spring forward. And in Kentucky, usually when March hits, it's a pretty good indication we got some nice, good weather coming. We're going to be moving the entire lot. I don't know how much of this I'm going to film, but I'll give you a little beginning and end. I don't know that I'll get it all done today because we have like 12 fifth wheels that have to be moved and about 25 Class A motorhomes that have to be moved. We have inventory parked everywhere, both sold units and available units. I think we have like 9 units that are sold right now that are not delivered. We're going through those today. We're also going to deliver a fifth wheel today, full body paint Paradigm. Exciting stuff because that's a nice unit, really cool. 385 FL. FL stands for front living. And my wife has me on no soda, so she bought me these drinks, Wonder Water. I had one last night. She wanted me to try the watermelon, and it was good. So no more pop. And I'm trying to stay away from eating breakfast and lunch. I need to stop eating so much. Anyway, just come with me today as we move the lot around. Yesterday we received a 2026 Bob Tiffin edition. That video is coming soon. This video will probably come out before that one. We also had an Allegro Breeze that we kind of posted a video on. We kind of did. I don't know. Had an Allegro Breeze come in where I fussed a little bit about the floors in it. So yeah, and we got more inventory coming. We've got a lot of stuff coming, folks. And it's actually a really good day to get stuff moved around because it's kind of a nasty day, but the temperatures are good. 14 degrees Celsius on the truck. So whatever that works. I've been lazy. I haven't converted this truck to Fahrenheit. But it's nice outside, temperature wise. And then we have sunshine coming. We haven't had a full, like, real solid day of sunshine in a while. So Friday and Saturday, I have to get pictures of like a tremendous amount of motorhomes. I am going to wear myself out Friday and Saturday getting photographs. And I bring them literally. I don't know if this looks familiar to you right here, but this is where I bring the RVs to do pictures. And maybe you are not in the market for a new RV, but maybe somebody you know is looking. Please share this with them. Send them a video of mine introducing them to Soul Motor Coach, no matter where you live in the country. We think we do it better than anybody, and you can rest assured of buying a motorhome, travel trailer, fifth wheel, toy hauler from us, you're going to be taken care of with the absolute best possible care. I always love this little ride through this neighborhood to the lot. I am very fortunate to live literally directly behind the car lot. All of that will be changing very soon as we complete our new facility. This will all be changing, and I won't be living right behind the lot anymore. But right now, as of right now, it's wonderful. Oh, look, Buddy's on it, buddy. Buddy's on it, buddy. Buddy is on top of it. He's got all these coaches started to fire him up for me. Getting stuff moved around. This is going to be fun. I'm just kidding. This is not going to be fun. But yeah, look at here. Here's that. I know you don't want to see a pillar. There's that Breeze that just came in. And there's this bus, folks. I absolutely love this bus. I got a full inspection video coming up on it. Please stay tuned for that. We'll be editing that. As you're watching this video, We will be editing that bus video, kind of an incoming inspection type video. It's got the new gallery window package, Bob Tiffin edition. Really cool. It's essentially a 45 OPP, okay? That's what it is. It's a 45 OPP Allegro bus. But it is phenomenal. And it came in really nice. I mean, like, it's really, really good. So I'm very pleased with it. And I love the colors. I'm going to show you one more thing real quick. Stick with me here. All right, we're going to zoom in, but I got to roll this. Window's a little dirty. Look at the back of this bus. Isn't that gorgeous? Like, I had a 18 Allegro bus a couple of years ago, and it kind of reminds me of that. We had an 18 Allegro bus that was waterfall paint scheme, same paint scheme as this, but it had a custom color. It had with waterfall, typically you had, like, see the back, the tail lights down low. Waterfall had like a gray color on the bottom, but somebody did a custom change out, and they had black on the bottom, black on the top, with the blue and the little bit of stripe of silver. That bus was phenomenal, and it garnered a lot of attention, and I think this bus is going to as well. I absolutely love it. So there you go. There's my 2 cents. We just received another Tiffin. Look at this, folks. 2026 Tiffin Phaeton 40AH midnight blue generation 2 paint scheme. I'm excited about this one because this is one of my favorite paint schemes. Good looking coach. Now, I'm not going to do this coach any justice today because it's so dark, so cloudy today. This coach this paint scheme looks amazing in the sun. Today we're going to do just like we did that Allegro bus. We're going to take you through and show you. I'm going to do an inspection on this. Now, you hear it running. We've already been in it, and yes, we already found our first issue. Not really. It's not a Tiffin issue, even though I guess, is it? Is it not? I don't know. We came in this morning to the coach, and the microwave plate, the round plate that turns in the microwave, busted up all over the floor. So it fell out of somewhere in transport and busted all over the floor. So we're cleaning that up now, and we're going to get the inspection started on this one. First, we got to go put fuel in it. Drivers are supposed to leave over a quarter of a tank of fuel. This thing's low. So I got the gentleman, the guys in there. There's old buddy, the Jägermeister. I shouldn't call him that. He may not like that. There's Talarino, or Tiffin, otherwise known as Tiffin. There's Tiffin. We're going to check out this Phaeton. Let's take a peek at it. Tell me what you think. And I'm going to step back and because again, on a cloudy day, this coach doesn't look as good as it should because it's really dark. I mean, it's super dark. The beautiful blackout package. I absolutely love this. Let's come on in here and check this out inside. Now, pardon the little bit of mess. I went out and drove this coach this morning, first thing, and extremely impressive drive. The Tiffin Phaeton is a driver. There's a reason that the Phaeton, the 40IH, is the best-selling Phaeton, well, the best-selling coach for years and years and years and years, because it's that next level of value. It's that ultimate value in a luxury motorhome, and it's not a bus. So you get a lot with this. You get standard 450 horsepower Cummins. You get the Power Glide XC chassis by Freightliner. You get heated tile floors. You get 3 air conditioners. You get hydraulic slides everywhere. You got all the latest and greatest in furniture options, from theater seats to Corian countertops, and that awesome Tiffin build quality. But it takes away some things that the bus doesn't have, like doesn't have a Corian line shower wall, which is fine with me. One-piece molded fiberglass shower is what this one has. And I mean, there's some other things you don't get, like integrated. You don't get the bigger, taller front and rear caps, but you still have all the awnings. So that's huge. And so yeah, this is a lot of coach. And we're going to dig in today. We're going to show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. Once we get this glass cleaned up, we're going to show you everything, folks. If there's something wrong with it, I'm going to show you. That's just the way we do it. So stay tuned. And Buddy's got me set up this morning, man. He's got all these things running back here. So now I have to move all these coaches because he's already done all this work to get them moved. So we got a bunch of stuff to move, and we're going to make this thing look better. We got to get all these fifth wheels put all together in one spot, make everything look a little bit better, and make it easier to show the different RVs that we have in stock. Well, we're finishing up this video the next morning because we moved a tremendous amount of RVs around. I wore my little self out. Well, my big self. I wore myself out yesterday. I couldn't even hardly. We ended up going to eat dinner. We had a birthday party to go to, and I just couldn't end that video, but I do want to show you what I ended up moving, and we got ourselves a nice little Alliance section here. I'm going to show you real quick. All of our paradigms all lined up in a row here. They look good. All our avenues. Got some Deltas here. Delta, regular Delta, Delta Ultralight. And then we have the more Alliance. We got our toy haulers right here. This is the Valor. Sorry for the shaky. Oh, looks like I left power on in one of them. That's not good. I'll go shut that power down right quick. But our Valors, we got a 40 V13 and a 44 V13. And then we got a whole row of avenues here. Right down there. So we're stocked up. We got a real nice supply of Alliance products. I think we've got 32 in stock total. Alliance products, 30 something. I don't know exactly how many. And great floor plans too. And we're going to carry more when the time is right. I gotta shut the power off here. There we go. We're going to carry more. We're going to have the full line when we get moved over to our new facility. So I want to thank you all for watching. I moved everything on the lot today, and it was fun. It's actually, after the show last week, standing on my feet for like 4 days in a row all day, yesterday was not bad. I wasn't as sore as I thought. Maybe I'm getting myself in just a touch better shape. Hope you'll have a wonderful and blessed day. Check out SewellMotorCoach.com if you're interested in buying a brand new or pre-owned Class A luxury diesel pusher motorhome, fifth wheel towable, a toy hauler, Class C. We have them all in stock. Until tomorrow, we'll see you later.